Y lagunok ongi etorri lastertzaren kanalera ongi etorri zuzeneko onatera bermentain apur batekin, komunitatearen helburu hori lortzeko eta abar, eta gainera heltzen bagara helburu gutxieneko helburu batetara asteburu baterako behintzat esperientzia gehitza lortzen da partida gutxeko. Eta hori pertsonaien nivelak igotzeko eta oso mesedegarri izan daiteken gauza bat da, eta horretarako heldu beharko ginateke guztira, kolokatzen dugun pertsona guztien artera 300.000.005 etxai hiltzera. Eta zenbat hil ditugun jakiteko, badago kontatzen duen orrialde bat jarrita Googleen Vermintide Counter. Eta hau esan da, aurrera goaz. Partida azkarra, bai. Eta hemen garrantzitsuena da, zenbat etxai hil irazten baduzu, esperientzia gehiago, eta galtzen baduzu, esperientzia gutxiago. Normala den moduan. Eta hori agertzen dira zenbat hil diren. Eta hori da azkenengo helburua. Azaroaren batera arte dagoen komunitate helburua. Beraz, kaina apur bat sartu beharko zaio. Gero lebeleago handiagoa egin alizateko. Eran hasten garen lehenengo misio hau.
A hard life for an unflinching purpose. It made me who I am. I am grateful for the trust placed in me.
Trust's a trickier bird than most. I'll give you that.
Siena, Gruber, Victor eta Barbie.
You going to hang around all day?
Gutxi desdeat, errabusman auzor. Eta lasto txapel. Geldi apuntadu. Hemen nahi duzu modu.
By Beatrice the monumentally cruel. Hurry up, Martin. Walkway several tons, draws ratmen like flies and sounds awful. If you just answered, oh no, not another bloody bell, then you win a pumpkin, you lucky bleeder. Don't eat it all at once, because you'll need provisions on your way to destroying the wretched thing. We don't actually know if that lump they've raised in Helmgart is a real screaming bell, but better safe than sorry.
Egizateko elfo silbanoak imperio barruan izatez badaude.
We did it in Ubersreich, we'll do it here. Enforcing a strict no rat bell policy.
When we get there, make sure to wreck that odious thing quickly. Even Imperial bells give me a headache.
Oh, how I'd like to hear more. But unfortunately, we have pressing matters to attend to. Onwards, ye wonders of intellect and insight. You serve righteousness.
Rest is for later. Flames up a nut.
crack at this, Dory?
Bueno, vas a mover.
A healing draft. Right here.
Rocky's out!
Ha! The fire has died. Fill your pouches and covers while you can.
That's right, close! Time for carnage, Tringbarazzi! 8-5-4! Not yet. Not yet. Weapons up! Fight like it's payday! Set it! Sorry!
Bargain. Time to heal.
Good going, Dorrington!
Eta
Get 'em
beste
all!
eguna esan den
Anyone have some healing?
moduan.
Or an arm they ain't using?
I still need your strong right arm. Go back.
Give 'em hell! Chop 'em to bloody pieces!
Down here.
Can't lie,
No hay
I'm
que
not
visitar
feeling
algo.
great.
Hold together, Marcus. You'll get through this.
Mi 10 pero no sé qué me
Bollocks,
está
you
haciendo.
still no ale. Got that dwarf!
The poorest of Helmgard's districts. Still much ground to cover.
Healing draft.
Anyone fancy a bomb? Beware, storm please! I unleash black powder. Kill it! Kill it before it shoots!
Jenna, don't burn off! Come on! Don't worry, Squidgy. I'll be back. You need your wounds binding, Saltspire.
Hasten to me!
No vas a engordar.
Ammunition!
Ah, medical supplies.
Pero ahí va, no ahora. Un verde.
I'll steer that gunner to ash.
I fight on!
This way!
Mis cortes con Margar.
Take out the warfire thrower! That's fine!
Oh, you've learned something from me after all! Oh, it's...
Get
face them together.
Ringalati! I'm a bit banged up.
You pull through, dwarf.
I see Grimnir's fury in your stripes, Bob.
This won't take long, Bardin.
Easy, son. I'm not made of wood.
Ahora.
Come on! Up here!
Healing draft over here.
Anyone need medicine?
Vale.
Dying? No! I will overcome these heretics! I will!
You look unwell, Saltfire.
Sorry,
Found some ammunition.
Nice! We got the strangler! Weapon! Don't be Ringbalati!
No more warp fire.
Welcome to the war! Right here, right now!
Found ammunition for you lot.
Ah, praise the comet!
Fire's slain
Ammunition!
them all.
All of us, what? You just hit me! She's more! For that, to stop at your way!
You think you can stop us? You're welcome to bloody try.
Grimke, don't waste healing. It was necessary, Master Dwarf.
It was necessary, Master Dwarf.
Feeling better, Dwarf?
Thanks, Grimke.
Can you please stop shooting me, Bardin?
Up here, no dawdling.
Here's a healing draft.
Vale, quédatela.
That's Hold on,
That's
let me
all.
drink this.
Y ahora volvemos.
Medicine here, should anyone care. I'm no healer, but you don't need a specialist, do you?
Nie eres nada aquí. Bota esa condena picuda. Verás, ahora la
Nothing
joder.
there. Assassin!
Stairs? If you manly to get a sense,
Me han dado.
there'd be a lifting platform here.
Hook rat. See it?
The Saggy has kill it! Blood everywhere, and another one's gone. Nefarious gas rat! There! Time for the final touch. Let the coffin
out of here! Oh! I can't breathe!
Keep back, Death Rat! Run! That thing's gonna blow!
And what you mean? Move! Gas!
Even a witch has her uses.
Timely age, Hunter. Back on me!
Beti gertatzen da, zeo zer dena pikutara joaten.
You're badly wounded, Sienna.
Look out! Another big brute!
This is where we stand!
It's dead, Saltspire! Nothing more to be done to it!
I confess I got a little enthusiastic.
Ha! It's not like the rat ogre can carry a grudge.
I'm no healer, but you don't need a specialist, do you?
Close up! Don't want to get separated!
Segurazki Sienaren moduan Poltsak inbarko du lan guztia Hilda nago
You've had worse than this, Ricky!
A ver, menden a vera eta laizte del duko
A bomb!
Guard me a moment!
Elias, helmets are tied of them!
Try and taste the black powder!
La pikutara da ingo Hor daude eta hortik dira
Hanging by a thread here.
Marcus, I'm not impressed by scars.
Again, Sienna, stop it!
kutxa. No, pizkanaka, etxeak itzen zoaz.
Just another glorious day in the Reichland. If I'm not mistaken, Morsleep's even larger than during the Ubersreich scuffle.
Hay personaje bastante bien partida.
Die, will ya?
Take your time, not like the Reichland's bird.
Hasteko gero beste sartzen bada ondo. Nola joaten garen orain.
We're still no nearer to knowing what the Pact Sworn are up to, but at least you found a way inside. See if you can find any survivors from the villages. But first and foremost, find out what those grubby buggers are up to. I don't like the feel of this one. No one goes to Drachenfels for innocent reasons. Well, except you lot.
Vale, aurrera goaz.
That tunnel should get us past the walls.
Aquí en Maimer no se ve.
Looks like we're heading downwards.
Fine, shot no mistake. Bradley!
There's more room here.
Attack the Ratlings with the flag. Well, actually blows it off. He'll prevent. The Ratlings beat his
Look at
last.
them run! Watch them die!
How are we to find our way through all this?
Shielding! Well, I'm impressed, Sienna. You're a natural at killing. All right, then. Stand together! Send the buggers back into the field!
Super hardcore.
Good, Charlie Dorrington, kill them all! Gunners close by, stand ready, Dory. You think pain will stop me?
Acid and dust! The Blight Stormer!
By the hammer, the Gary
It's hard to tell. Be drunk.
Hell's a bit odd, but it'll be worth it.
Venga ya, guerrero.
Lights spread out. One of us has to reach that flight stormer. Sorcerer's gone, and so did bloody Vortex.
Un barco ahora, vera.
Look at those crows' cages. Just how many captives have they held down here?
Most of this looks old to me. Probably dates back to the great enchanter's days.
How many times must I tell you, Kruger? There never was a great enchanter.
Well, let's hope you're right.
Get across the bridge.
Look at that spawn thrashing around like that. We're not impressed!
We'll get them all out. Right here.
Blood everywhere, and another one shot. Take our best shot.
A bloody spawn.
I'm a doorway. I'll have to do more than that.
Need a hand here. Pull me up.
Tributa. Hola, vos. Baina ez eta jartzen dutenean etxako ez da. Esan nahi dut. Ingelesez no, erderaz no den moduan. Ui.
Good evening.
So, you give any thought to that little proposition I made?
Yeah, well, not yet. Bit busy for the foreseeable, ain't we?
You travelled far beyond the Empire?
Spent some time in Talia when I was younger. Now there's a place where corruption's an art form.
That's right, take your time. That's what our enemies are doing.
Caidán.
So, everyone's ready except our dear, bright wizard. Come on, lass, get ready. I know what you need.
Caidán y Pocha.
One of my tutors told me much about elven mages.
There is little to tell. They're secretive and arrogant, much like myself.
Still, I've always wanted to test myself against one.
Test? There would be no test. They'd simply swat you away like a bug, albeit one that...
I won't weary you with the history lesson, but the Rotbloods have found themselves a long-forgotten artifact of terrifying power. They're digging the bloody thing up as we speak, forcing Clan Festa slaves to do the tunneling. Even worse, the damned monolith's currently beyond our means to destroy. However, Alicia, the clever old girl, has at least found a way to bury the foul thing. So, listen closely.
Vale, conforme. Chissà che animaliache con Bertoli la tele.
Down and down! Now don't get carried away. Plenty more to do.
Down! That's the way!
I hear a leech on the prowl.
Witness the majesty of the Lord.
And my fire, assassin!
We killed the leech, Fury! Oh, I'm fine, you'll see! The black storm.
Can you not sense it? Like dung-coated fingers dragging through the breeze.
Vale, tontos.
Stay close to me, I see the path.
Are you sleepy? Now!
That's a keen eye you've got there with Jody. This is the path, Dory. Hush, Stranglerati. There's a Muscus dummy nearby.
Esta no.
Now what have I done? It must be destroyed, Dory.
Esto es la comida y sin duda era.
River's gone.
Bueno, egia hobeto dela mustoriak abatza besta
Look, ammunition. Keep whatever ammunition you carry.
Down the hatch. Don't worry, Cootie. I'll be back.
Take it out.
A fine shot with Jody. No, I'm not surprised.
I am. Never sure what to shoot at.
Help me!
pero solo se ponga.
Help me! Help! Shield Raki incoming! Medical supplies!
Join us.
Go, pile thrower! Great comfort! Someone grab healing tools if you're feeling weak, Trengarazi.
Need a hand. Help me! Quickly now.
Ashes Greaves. Healing draft.
Aquí venía todo.
Help to all and confusion to our foes.
No llevan más. El
Heading
coche.
down again, Dory. Don't get lost.
A ver. Pot jauna. I pot jauna.
Thick as the scum on the right.
Stop shooting me, Carillion!
There's no stopping a dwarf, is there?
Warming up!
Warming up! You go down the meaning of those words, Guardian. Don't have them all, Lord! Wizard, why is my skin sore?
That's fine, Lord. You've learned something from me after all. Look, the elf dragon knows something. Is butchering more than usual. Over this way, Dringbarazzi.
Run for the bridge, lumberboots! Even that water wants nothing to do with this place.
A ver.
Some of them have shields now.
Here, clap your ears on that. I reckon it's a fire rat.
The elves. Horizontal.
Tainted fire is never a match for the real thing.
Oi! Dringbarazzi! Yeah,
That's a gas blast. Let's go, Gorrickson. You're bored, I hope, Gorrickson.
Storm vermin ahead. He'll burn.
Gas rats coughed its last! We're walked into a trap! Kill them all! Just like that. Strangle a rat!
Venga ya.
Gas rats get! All right! Come on! Kill for old Grover! Rattling dead, Gaff, was it?
Pues algo de visitas, eso es hondo, mira, bueno. Egin barra.
Doesn't pay to be at the bottom of the Skaven dung heap, does it?
That's what we call a famine far handshake!
Here! It's through here!
Down here, Glaikit mayflies.
Chaos Warrior!
That Rothelm might test us, mayflies. The Rothelm breathes his last.
Sweet tall, a fire rat! Grover dear.
Stand on that.
Does it hurt one eye? Good.
Eat my steel, gas rat! Reckon I'm done for. You shall not die, Grover! I forbid it! A Rothelm! Sigma grant me strength!
Está ahí ya.
The tide will not sweep us away.
I come for you, wizard!
Stand together! Send the buggers back into the field! Didn't feel a thing. Yeah, that bloody earth.
You're sorely wounded, Grover.
Joder. Herri hotxik egiten auto, baina bueno, horrekin da.
Down here! Found some ammunition!
Shit! I have failed you!
That's a nasty wound, sir. Potion on my position.
Oh, over here, mayflies. Medical supplies, over here.
Hold up. I'm feeling a touch out of sorts.
Come, finish me if you dare.
You could use some aid, Elf.
Hook rat over there!
Watch your aim!
Put that in.
Down here. Leech, I hear it.
Die, Pathfinder! You will trouble us no more! What the hell is coming?
Up here. Chaos warrior stomping around.
Close up. Don't want to get separated.
I come for you, Elfwitch.
A bit chaos here. Save it for later, Crookfire. Slay that fire rat!
Scunner leech down. White leech. Scunner leech is no more.
A chaos warrior!
Let the Chaos Warrior down!
Down that bonfire before we all burn! The rat perishes and the mechanism ceases. I felt it at once.
And the spawn felt it soon after.
We are watched. Do you not feel the eyes upon you?
By the eight winds, Chaos Warrior!
Chaos Warrior down.
Have a care! That's a Chaos Warrior! Your gods or not, the Chaos Warrior has fallen!
Down here. Your eyes dim, Elf. Is death near?
Ah, Wrangler!
I have no more ammunition.
Honest, the Blight Stormer!
It's got a long reach.
Lights. Who'd use such rags on the winded?
Can't fight the wind, but we can kill its creator!
No.
You're needed, Elf. You must not die.
That sorcerer! He's warping the wind!
Found a potion!
Uphill! Smartly now!
Sometimes I do wonder how you're still alive, little flies.
Kill the sorcerer, kill the storm.
Powder, it's all here! Ammunition here!
This way! Ah! All right then! Relief from physical ills. Ah, fit for the hunt once again.
Not a pretty job, but it'll hold.
Down here, are you all blind? Ooh, that's one foul abhorrence. I give it that.
Found ammunition for you lot! The exposed clusters, darlings. It's the only way to learn as a liar.
Are you showing your true Southwich? No more slaves my way! Receive the judgment of Sigmar! Oi!
then get it done.
Look out! Gas!
Where? Poison!
Rotha, cut it down.
There are too many of them.
Hurry, Sulfur!
Frisky, eh?
Still standing, young liquor!
Bet you only fall over
Marcus,
again.
stay out of here, poison! Poison rat!
Go!
Light through! No more poison!
Eager to
Weapons
get on.
up! Fight like it's payday!
Failed gas rat. Death is too good for you.
Hey, side floor!
Joder.
That's all! Hold the line, mate!
Ammunition! At last, ammunition!
Stop burning me!
Still got one to go! You've looked better there. Trademark, get
Need a hand, sir. All right, come on, then. I have you, sir.
Bob!
Fight hard! Fight, kill, death! You hear that, mates? A gun rat.
The gunner is slain!
Never saw it coming.
Dead, not alive!
Don't let me die with my boots.
Joder.
Your efforts. Head down, mayflies! Here they come.
Give them hell! Come on to bloody pieces!
alive, wizard!
That is nice.
There's so many of them. Oh yes, the drop that broke the camel's back. Oh wait, no, run to the surface.
Let him bleed back!
No more dancing for that Blooberdeer!
Hacen campo por la vereda del enemigo.
Only hurts when I laugh, and when I breathe.
You're paler than usual, Saltzpyre. I suppose that's my turn.
Your life is all but spent, wizard! Die fighting! Die defiant! Hard to fathom!
Talentu puntu bat desblokeatuta. Hori oso nago. Bueno, txarteles ez dago.
Rain won't stop them. We're not fighting out dwarf nobles. Not many friends left these days. You know how it is. Life's dangerous for folk like us.
Sienna, I believe it would help your trial if you showed intent to go back to the college.
One of my tutors told me much about elven mages.
There is little to tell. Arrogant, much like myself.
Still, I've always wanted to test myself against one.
Test? There would be no test. They'd simply swat you away like a bug, albeit one that burned brightly. Stay within your realm, Sienna.
Nightshade. Gaua Kuchala. Azken finean da jokoa jogatzen dugun guztion artean ni oraintxe momentu honetan eta gauden beste liburu eta hori jokatzen dauden beste herrialde batzuk jendeak elkarbaturik helburua lortzeko eta partida bakoitzean irabazi zein galdu lortzen den esperientzia berriro.
There's a guildsman's lift that'll get you close to where he's playing silly buggers. Change the weather foreshowing by ending that thieving lard gut by any means necessary.
We're getting close, mates. Shouldn't we be fighting hordes of packed pissers by now?
Step lightly or suffer the consequences. It's always the way.
Well, we've still a sorcerer to have a friendly, stabby chat with. Bring your gift of the gab, mates. And your gift of the stab. You're getting better at that, mate.
Mine is a tale of heroism, Mayflies. You merely share.
Oh, the cracky at that
The strand of the light stormer, Mayflies. See his bum. Where your wind now, sorcerer?
Look the blows, Godin!
Come here, gas rat. I've a gift for you.
Please walk with me!
I keep hearing you speak of the weave, Corinne. You know what it is?
It is the heart and soul of the world. Its suffering is ours also.
Funny. I've never noticed anything.
Or perhaps you merely missed the significance. Make no mistake, you are bound to its fate.
Vale.
There is the guildsman's lift. Disgusting little bomb.
This door is on shield duty.
Come on then, we'll have ya!
Hear that? Hello down there. I've got just the thing to warm you up.
Blackfire! On its way! Take it out! A Chaos Warrior! Just what we needed. The Rock Elf breeds his...
Bloody hell! Somebody's got him killed him!
Kruber's like a steam tank when round, isn't it? Assassin, bring him down!
Sweet Grundy's lord of Rakizar!
Well, you'll have to teach me that, man.
Ah, the taste is worse than the smell.
Tom's gift, a healing draught.
Hold on, I'm drinking.
Tainted flame on that wind. Warp fire. Leech. I hear it.
One less leech.
Is there no way across? Look harder. Maybe start with that building.
Vale, caca.
Let's hope nothing nasty comes out of Atspite Pass. I'm sure Helmgart's any good for stopping it.
There's no sense worrying, Marcus. We've problems enough here and now.
Aye, you're right.
I'm always right. You've not learned that yet.
Can we find something a bit more stable and quickly? Chaos Frother! No!
Try to stop falling down, Varden.
Let my shield pick that road.
Here's a healing draft.
So many, let's
Buggers won't see me.
If you can't shoot straight as Umgi, then don't shoot at all. Bloody Blightstormer! We've lost our elf! Gutter Runner! That's another leak down! Here, that's a Blightstormer. We're in for it now. That's the Blightstormer, Phil. Hey! I'm hanging on a ledge! Do help! I have you, Master Dwarf. Over here down! Oh! Bloody hell! Give us that a moment, will ya? Stick there on the body and run! Now we can... My feet, eyes open! Sorry! Could use a hand strength, Razzie!
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Bueno, agua el guerrero.
Every rat man has one eye on moving up a rung or two, and the other on his rivals. So, you're going to Karak Knoll, where Clan Festerus set up base. Sneak in, kill the warlord, and enjoy the carnage as they fight for his crown. It always works. Hopefully, the chaos will interrupt the work on the Skittergate and give us more time.
You reckon the Skaven will fall for this again, mates?
Come on then, mayflies. Even you should have the hang of it by now.
As long as I get to scorch them whiskers to tail, I'm a happy woman.
It's this way!
Oh, it still works! Shield rat incoming!
A lucky shot, that's all.
Spooky.
They reek of plague. Kill them quickly.
Healer's draft.
Oi,
No
bring the
sense
Razzie.
wasting it.
Hear that gas rat?
The gas! Watch out!
Racky mother!
Can't
No,
not until they're all out. Darlings, where are you?
The gunner is slain! Ha! Strangles, no more!
You must truly hate them.
They are heretics, conquerors, and cruel beyond measure. Hate flows easily in their presence.
Yes, we often hate those who remind us of ourselves.
Vale, tengo que ir viendo internet.
Dead! And damn well done!
Hiding in the shadows.
Cursed assassin!
Not so good in a fair fight, assassin.
Watch that salt fire his helmet, darling. Damn, that Seraph can fight.
This assassin's dead. There'll be more. Stay down, sneaker!
Good killing! You're a credit to your regiment.
All service, sir. We all crack heads in the same cause.
Strangler!
I can't take much more, darling.
You're badly wounded, Sienna.
A grenadier! Hold your breath and shield your eyes.
Down in one.
Keep that!
Nothing! Just a scratch. Stand back! It's going to explode!
Poison rat's dead.
The gas rat is dead.
Capitanes.
Here's a healing draft. Looks like we're heading downwards.
Adelante, yo.
To proceed, we need to make some adjustments.
Ahí va, no.
That cleared the way.
Tainted flame on that wind. Warp fire! I am a child of Athel Warren. I'm not vested by one. The god Adeloth isn't here to see me use these worthless arrows.
Come on,
healing draft here!
Shame to see so much fire shackled. Worse still to see the place in ruins.
Got a rat! Can't see me now.
That's the drop.
Kill it! Kill it! Kill it!
All right. 5. That's on your feet, Kruber. Full fire thrower.
Vale, txikitu gaituzte derto gainera.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Vasen ipotxerekin jolastera.
Listen, Alicia's got a good shot at gaining some proper information about the Skittergate. She's going into Helmgart, and so are you. Difference is, she'll be sneaky, and you'll be loud. Provide a distraction by ringing the bells at the Temple of Sigmar. Let's allow the old woman to work in peace, eh?
Bueno, eso du Little Garden Site. Benetan.
This way!
No de espada.
Ammunition here! Don't do that again.
I'll admit it, I'm impressed. There's a rattling somewhere close.
Boons for the body. The soul must
Come
fend for
here,
itself.
Gasrat! I have a gift for you! Sweet Grundy's Lord and Rakizar!
An assassin! You slew it!
Don't hog the slaughter, Cougar!
Oh, I'll get you for that! Foul warpstone machinery! The gunlet is dead! This bastion is long since fallen. They fought well, but perhaps not well enough.
Over here! Quickly now! Medical supplies here! Tom, that was a bit close.
Press on! We shall prevail! At last, ammunition!
Assassin, I hear it!
They're coming for us! Bill! Ha! Dead assassin. Not
There,
before
guess
time.
where? Rattling gun!
Oh, they're on the attack now!
What sword's here? He's mine!
Bless fire! I don't
Come on! Go on! Again! That's all you've got? Throw them north here, Johnny!
Yeah, that's fine work! Keep it up, sir!
Johnny! Looks like we
the
found
blood,
ammunition.
Stormerfield. Blake Berman, incoming! Stand ready!
No more, Sergeant, please! Sweet Tall, a fire rat!
A packmaster! It shall perish!
We got the hot rat!
Foul machinery is no match for Imperial
Keep
steel!
killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bed.
Walk back!
Don't you listen to the rookie! You know how she gathers us!
Aye, we believe by the sound of it.
Grover! Check your shots! Our path is upwards. We ascend into darkness.
Shield ready!
This doorway! Move! Stop shooting me, Fibber! Lumberfoot with a lumbering ease.
Gasnet incoming! Supplies for our ranged weapons.
Blightstormer, end his existence.
Use some of that vaunted skill of yours! Hit the head! Not enough! Either in numbers or effort! More! Hey, here's the accident! Kill the fire rat, Ringbarazzi, while you still can!
I hear the pale queen.
Right, Matilda. Did we go without you? good, mates. My rat's dead.
Here, the stairs.
You see that? With the Shungi around, reckon I can take things a little easier. Ah, it's nothing. Just training, that's all. Besides, couldn't do it without you. Lightstormer close.
Oh! Think you're clever, do you?
Yeah, I think it's this way.
Bombs here. Let's hope the black powder inside is dry.
I hear a Globadier.
Globadier!
Gas cloud coming in. Tackling done. Shaggy on the look.
Gunrat's been silenced!
Through here. Up we go.
Bueno, pues no otro. Tenemos aquí, era. Justo.
One poacher's surprise. Sigma will.
The wizard proves the wisdom of clemency.
Judgment coming. Start farming.
I'm the chef!
Oi! Over here! Over here! Ah, no, you chap! Are you also blind? You've learned something from me after all! Drink it a potion! Shields and action!
Hemen
Here,
taldegiak
the
izatea
stairs.
garrantzitsua da. Gero irabazi edo galdu dezakezu, baina lankidetza pesimistekoa den
Let me
gauza.
tend these wounds.
The way is blocked. Ingenuity will serve us here. That cannon may yet serve holy vengeance. Set the crane in motion.
No quarter!
I smell charred fur. A fire rat is near.
Hear that? Sounds like an assassin!
Watch out for warp shot.
I Think that's a Globadier?
Light the fuse. Gate's too small a target for you. At least we're through the wall.
The gunner's dead. I see the temple.
Death comes easily to you, Saltspire.
I bring death where death is needed. Join me in righteous slaughter. Ammunition. Up here. No door ring.
Don't do that again, Marcus.
Come on, over here!
Tournament Wolf, you just hit me!
Keep moving! Look and weave, Dory!
The man to throw its poison.
Oi! What?
Vale.
Ammunition, should you have a cab?
Stairs! What's wrong with stairs? Over this way, Dringbarazzi. That's right, leave that dwarf behind you. It's a damn Kasaki, dude, that's what it is. For life! Ah!
The bonfire stone is no longer a threat.
Come on, Watson! Sorry! Yeah. That poison's been to kill us, Lordy. Killed? A manling, maybe, but...
Sequence lock. Hold your breath.
I need help!
We're coming, Kruber!
On your feet, Kruber!
These stairs go up! Can't fault your bigger, Dory!
Hang on, warrior!
Here, downstairs.
Turn back! In the name of Sigmar!
A fitting sight from which to humble our foes.
Lovely little potion. Let's make the most of it.
Imbibing a potion?
Health to all, and confusion to our foes!
Let me see.
Ready yourselves? We make our stand soon.
Plenty on their way.
Egin asko zaitik. Ez dakit nola ikusiko zen.
Hold the line, mates. Gun rat sneaking around.
Gas rat! Get back! Incoming! Gas rat!
Do you like that boy, you bargain?
Help! Yes, Sharon!
So, the Rattling's dead.
Well done. Don't want to get tired. Yeah, lad. Doubles the lot of you. I'll give you one for free. Hogger, that's still standing. Do it proper.
A ver.
Don't see me now. Yeah, mate. Maybe we scared them off. I don't think so, neither.
Blow at the arm! Slay the flutter!
Here at top. Guide my steps.
Gas! Hold your breath!
That's all you've got. You look up there. Look all this. You're wounded, sir. Shatter, don't make a juicy target to the blade.
Do you like that poison, Bardin?
Oof.
Do you like that poison, Bardin?
The breath! That door flew off like our creeper is moved to it. Watch and learn, mates. This is how it's
Tremble
done.
in fear before the son of Sigma and the Empire!
Yepa. Bueno, seigarren nibelea gaintza heldu gara. Batu dugu azken partida eta gaurko utziko dugu zuzeneko. Salud. Bueno, pizkan nada.
Nice weather today.
azkenengo partidi potxarekin. Vale, conforme. Eguneko. Partida erdi bat egin berriro.
Trust my kind.
Trust? Don't be absurd. Agree upon a common foe and course of action.
And that's why such an alliance is disappointing. Your kind is strongest when certain.
Noiz bai sartzen banaiz. Vale. Vale, DLC dauka.
Those bile trolls ain't natural. Rock blood sorcerers are using some kind of altar to churn them out, and it's up to you to disrupt the whole operation with a bloody big bang. Yes, that's right. It'll take black powder to get the job done. I know there's more than enough fireworks laying around in Dreisdunkel mine, so use what you find and put an end to this nasty business.
Might get a bit chilly. Bleeding freezing me arse off.
Shall we please go inside?
Apparently, the fools below do not think trolls revolting enough. We shall make them reconsider.
Don't like the look of that ladder. Bit rickety for my tastes. The rails look like they're heading in the right direction.
Well, I suppose you have to hit sometime.
Chop him down! Yeah! Bring it on!
Parte batean
By
hemen.
the long faces, we'll triumph
Nintzen
yet!
oso nintzen pilotara. Beraz kontu jo.
You hit me, Grover! Again!
Hear that? Sounds like gonna stop me. Looks like we're heading downwards.
A ver,
Leech incoming! Leech! We got the leech, mates! The trouble with manlings is they like to imitate us goalies, but can't. Take this mine, for instance. Such a mess. Behind my shield, Gory!
So many kills, River! Is that valor or desperation? Do you want war? Keep shooting at me and you'll start one!
Only hurts when I laugh. Not when I breathe. You're as bad as Cousin Ockery. Accept some help, Azungi. Are you blind, Wutelgi? Go for the head! You're a born killer, sir, and no mistake. Watch yourselves! There's a gas racking here. Stop, Vermin! Take out the watch fire thrower! The state of this place isn't a mine, it's a junkyard. always bloody more, isn't there?
Blessed Tom.
Bring that cart along. You never know. There's our black powder. Grab some. The flame, we've got Blightstormer close by. That's what's left of Blightstormer. Don't let the cart outpace us! Weapons up! It's the tougher vermin! I shall smite these star vermin!
Alexa! Ryan, there goes our Blackfire.
Plague fanatics incoming! Panic, Robot!
No.
Falling down there!
Think you can match an ad?
Right here! Give me a...
Oh, see me now.
Impressive, Robertson! So wipe that spittle from your mouth. You keep texting me, Sugar. You don't want that.
Hold up! Need to patch a wound.
I need to heal. Show some patience.
We need that cart. Where is it?
Is that a potion? Wrong way, dead end. A masked man.
Beware of poison.
More potions. We've got gas incoming. There, no more fire rounds.
Look out! Rattling gun! Glover to you!
Ha! You're more bloodless than usual, One-Eye.
Old bones and new. Let us hope nothing worse awaits us in the dark. This shall redouble my zeal. That Packmaster will trouble us no more.
I tell you, watch out! Storm Bandit!
A storm bandit! It shall be slain!
Keep your elbow up! Your guard's open!
You dare! And you, Rubam, I shall heed your advice.
As you should, Grimgate. No one wants to rub your corpse around.
Stop rat! Strike the rat!
Kill him quicker next time! Yeah! Evolve! Our abomination!
Let's move it here!
I need help!
Bueno.
Fire is gone! Yeah, very bloody funny. Come back here!
The righteous feel no pain.
Over here!
Backstabber! Hanging by a thread here.
Justo y se llegate. Bueno. Ez da ze gertatzen. Gero hori bazegoen. Bueno, lagunako izan da den, uste guztu zaizula terrengoan gehiago